All right, thank you for watching our nature show. Today we're looking for these specific plants here. There are a lot of them, and yeah, let's get looking for them. All right. Hold on. I think I see it. That, or maybe. Never mind. Let's keep moving. Okay. Oh, wait, stop. Right there. Hold this. Okay, I got him. All right. So right here, it looks like we have a Virginia creeper. All right. It is poisonous, so I probably shouldn't have jumped on it. We're making a nature show. Yeah. What's that? I believe that might be poison ivy. Right there. Yeah, so you might not want to touch something like this, but for educational reasons. All right, let's keep moving.
Yo, Jake. These are some of the plants.
No, it's not. We already got something like that, don't we? Oh, wait. No, those aren't honeysuckle. Shoot.
Those are fucking orange. Down there.
That's a nice tree.
Rhinoceros.
That's my wild first gen. Let's go check it out. Come on. That's a naturally occurring Burger King coffee cup. Boys, now hold this real quick.
Yep.
I'm gonna attempt to climb this tree. Hold on real quick before I do that. That's something right there. That looks like something right there. That looks like one of them things that we're looking for. No way. Now that is a good find. I saw this little guy trying to get away.
What are you gonna name him? You discovered a new species.
Yeah, this is. Oh man, I think I'm gonna name him Tylerissa.
Tylerissa.
Tylerissa. All right. So let's just let this little guy go. Oh yeah, this is a nice picture.
Oh.
Right.
I wonder what it could mean.
Hold on. That's a ripe tree. There's not a lot of vegetation around here. No way. Shut up, Tyler.
What's that?
Oh. Okay. I kind of incapacitated this one. All right. Can you tell me what that is, Tyler?
It's a flower.
That's a flower right there.
It's a plant.
There you go.
If I ever seen one. Jake, what's that? What's that in the ground there?
No way. No way. Okay. So this right here is a stick that I found in the ground. Now this right here is a flower call. This is what attracts flowers. So first you have to find a ripe tree. And then you just wait, hold on.
How many flowers did you get? Whoa!
There's one right there. There's one right here.
There's one right here. That's fast.
I know. My grandpa taught me that trick. I've never seen one of these before. It's really surprising. Oh, is that a daddy long-leg on there?
Hell no.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a daddy long-leg right there. This turned into a real nature show for a second.
What's that right there? That over there in the distance?
That looks like a wild horse of some sort. Maybe like a Mustang.
Oh my god!
A young horse, like a Mustang.
Wow, Nature is beautiful.
How you doing this fine evening? Morning, I mean.
I want to die.
All right. Can you give me a stick job, bro?
Bro.
Oh, ooh, ah, ow, fuck. Here we go. Here's a naturally occurring Corona extra bottle. You don't see these a lot unless you live in like a more, yeah, I guess you could say that. Oh, and the thing is with these, you can, hold on. I suck at this. I don't want to get my mouth that close.
I did.
Oh, I just fucking touched it. Oh no.
Why do we have?
This tree was wanting to fight me right now. I
Hold
don't.
him back.
He's looking at me a little maliciously. Oh.
Wow, look what you did to it.
I
Like,
don't
how
think.
could you? That's nature.
I don't think it could ever be bothering us again.
God,
Yeah,
how
buddy.
could you? Jake, do you have any final words?
I guess sometimes you gotta go out in nature and look at Corona bottles and look at random objects painted on trees and find whatever this thing is. Hold on, let me get one. Oh shit! I just put my hand in help poison ivy. Oh no.